Calgary is a mountain city, with a dry climate unswervingly linked to its altitude. Temperatures are mild. The highest on average in July is at around 23.2 degrees Celsius. Calgary's weather is often changeable. It is also notoriously difficult to predict in detail from day to day. So, if you want to stay cool on a hot summer's day, then you need the best HVAC in Calgary. Here's the list of the best licensed and insured air conditioning contractors in Calgary. Number 1 is JPS Furnace and Air Conditioning. Top-rated AC repairs and maintenance in Calgary and area with award-winning service. With over 1,500 5-star reviews online, JPS Furnace and Air Conditioning continue to strive for the absolute best. Have been awarded the Consumer Choice Award 6 years in a row, as well as rated 3 best rated in Calgary, and are proud to be considered a top-rated residential furnace and air conditioning company in Calgary. Number 2 is Horizon Heating Ltd, Calgary's most reliable heating and cooling company. If you get hit by Calgary's unpredictable weather and are left without heat, Horizon Heating Ltd be there for you with 24/7 emergency furnace repairs. Making the right choice when it comes to your furnace, air conditioning, air quality, and hot water heater needs is simple. Just contact Horizon Heating. Number 3 is Calgary Air Heating and Cooling Ltd. As a trusted HVAC company in Calgary, Calgary Air Heating and Cooling Ltd have over 20 years of experience in providing exceptional heating and cooling solutions with a great success rate. Whether you are looking to install a new air conditioner or repair and maintenance of old one, Calgary Air Heating and Cooling Ltd have got you covered at competitive prices. Number 4 is A1 Chesney Service Experts. A1 Chesney Service Experts are experienced and licensed service experts, a big company with a hometown heart. Get a new, high-efficiency heating and air conditioning system without the out-of-pocket expense and free maintenance, repairs, and parts, all for one low monthly payment of less than the average cell phone bill with A1 Chesney Service Experts. Number 5 is Lendrix HVAC Services Incorporated. Local owners and operators, Justin and Crystal Marr, started Lendrix HVAC as a family-owned company in Calgary on the premise that businesses are built through customer relationships, not markups. Whether it's installing a new AC, furnace, water heater, or garage heater, or service on your existing equipment, Lendrix HVAC Services Incorporated has your total home comfort covered. Hopefully, you enjoyed our video about the best and top air conditioning companies in Calgary. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this.